Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can easily rewrite any text in your OnePlus 15 automatically using either AI templates or AI summary or AI writing. So at first let's open, for example, our notes. Then let's open some note and let's select all text. Select all. Now tap AI Writer. Now, as you can see, here we do have Polish, proofread, format, create mind map or table map. That's not for what we wanted. Here tap Polish. Now we can tap this button to finish. We don't want to see the animation. And here we do have Adjust. We can select Standard, Tone, Detailed tone, consist tone, formal, casual, witty, and yeah. So we can, for example, set it to witty. We can set moderate emojis, like moderate was here. We can set the length as short as possible. And here we can enter our adjustment request. But let me generate the new text. And now, as you can see, here we have brand new text. Here we can tap this button and now we can tap replace. Now our text is replaced, and now if we select this all, again tap AI Writer and, for example, format, we can have our text formatted very nicely. That's how it actually works. We can tap this square button to confirm, tap replace again, and that's how it works. That's how to rewrite your text. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.